Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here, founder of the Tube Traffic Selling System. And we're out here by my brand new house that's being built. Check it out, you guys. Right here, should be done in the next month or so. But I wanted to shoot a quick video for you guys because I know a lot of you are business owners or you're somebody that's looking to start an online business, and I've been able to leverage the YouTube platform and little smartphone videos just like these to build a successful business on YouTube. I've also been able to purchase my dream car. This is a BMW, kind of hard to see here. It's a BMW 650i, as you can see right here. So YouTube's given me a lot of leverage. It's been able to help me travel the world, buy beautiful materialistic things like a car and a brand new house. But most importantly, it's helped me, obtain freedom and fulfillment in my life. And if you're looking for that, if you're looking to take your current business to the next level, if you're looking to get more leads and sales and high quality customers, or you're looking to start and grow an online business, whatever you're selling, wherever you're at, my training can help you do that. I just got finished up with a brand new book. It's called Tube Traffic Selling Secrets. It's going to show you how to make these little 2 to 4 minute videos, put them up on YouTube and profit, and give you the leverage, the leads, the customers, and the fulfillment that you deserve. Go ahead and click the link right here if you're on desktop. If you're on a mobile device, it should be up right here somewhere. You'll click that link, you'll go to a page where you enter in your name and email address, and you can get instant access to that free guide. So with that said, this is Josh Elder signing off to your success here in 2018, and I wish you the best. Take care.